Tesla now. See, we got some earnings. We got some earnings, yo. We got some earnings today. Let the lion roar. Let the lion of Judah. Ooh. Roar. Ooh, bullish Harami on the weekly. Bullish Harami on the weekly. Boom. Oh, man. Oh, man. I might have to, I'm gonna have to check that thing out. I have to check that thing out. Netflix down. If you guys hear that beeping, it's because I gotta change the battery in my damn smoke detector. So today I'm curious. We got Iran apparently just attacked 3 ships, I think they said. So that's awesome. You know, love that. Yo. For real. Look at this. 3rd ship in the Strait of Hormuz. So we gotta be careful. I mean, really, we're just waiting to break range today, right? I think the biggest key. I don't know how the hell I just did that. Biggest key is to wait to break range, especially on SPY. I mean, we can hit this 3rd tap of resistance up here at the 712 because obviously pre-market's already in this supply, right? So we can see this untested London high rejection and get that to the downside and potentially go because we never retested. I mean, we never even retested this London low down here, or this one, which is the weird day wick. Oh shit. So I'm waiting just for it to break range. Personally, I would say the safest trade would be below 702.80 to 698.65. So that way it's just a clear break of support, previous day low, and Thursday's high, right? So we break underneath it, come down to that 698, safe take profit. If we break it, obviously then we could go 696. See if there's any setups. I should have swung that. I wanted to swing those damn AMD calls. We entered those. We entered 290 calls. That would have been fire to just hit that off of like a couple $100. But let's see. NVIDIA I didn't even chart. Like this is all chop. So unless we break above, we break above this 203, it's pretty ugly. I mean, we might as well move it to this order block, all right? Top of that order block. And then we could go to 206 potentially, right? So that's not bad. If AMD starts going crazy, NVIDIA will probably start going crazy. Technically, probably just take it to here. But I want a safe trim. There. So that's not too bad. 204, 206.60 on NVIDIA. To the downside, I probably would just wait. 198 to what's this? 196.4. Can you chart key levels as an example? Like of how it will break, like of how the price should move. Yeah, I mean, like, so even if you look at it from here, this is a clear resistance, right? And I'm gonna go over this in the YouTube video, but like you can see that price rejects. Oh shoot, this is 1, 2, 3. This is the third rejection of this resistance, right? So if we break through this 204, we should technically just go take out this resistance up here, right? So resistance, which would be your supply, which would be leftover liquidity, it could just sweep and come down. But this is, I mean, that's your main zones, right? And then like your support would just be like that. So like in between this range is support and resistance. So I'm gonna make a video on that today. I'm gonna post it for you today. All right. On how to draw it and everything, if that didn't make sense. But to keep it very simple, the floor is support. Where are we bouncing? So you just go to smaller time frames. You still have floors that we need to break through, right? So technically, I feel like if we break through 198, we can see this 196. Probably be pretty choppy though. Probably be pretty choppy. No, it made perfect sense. Yes, sir. Got you, famo. I'm telling you, I probably give the most. I definitely give the most free game. I give the most free game, the most cheap game, bro. What? Like, I be showing mad love out here. So take advantage. Take advantage. Yeah, I guess we'll just wait for AMD because that could always come back and bounce. So not too good. Tesla's earnings, after hours. But like I said, look, I said this the other day, y'all. This is what's forming that Head and Shoulders. Boom. I'm telling y'all. I'm telling y'all. I think I want to break that. That would probably be a great trade under that 382.72 to 376. You would be shorting into essentially a demand. So, I would definitely trim or just take profits here, even though, yes, it could potentially go to 368. But worst case scenario, you trim or you take profits. We break, we retest. You can enter light. Like if you just made a couple hundred on the way down, just risk, like $120 from 375 to 367. It's a big move. It's a big move. That would be like me holding a runner. But Tessie, shoot. Tessie looking good. And Tessie has 0 DTE today. So that is cheaper contracts. Cheaper contracts for Tessie. So that's fire. So I'm gonna keep those on there. I like it. Meta, what are we doing? Meta's still in the zone. I do think that 679 to 685 would be fire. Yeah. Set on right there. It's just Meta, man. I don't know. Them cons have not been moving like how they usually do. Son of Jacob. This also looks like a Head and Shoulders, by the way. We'll see, man. We'll see if they do a ceasefire. Ceasefire. Oh, war's back on. Oh, ceasefire. Oh, war's back on. Fucking hate that dumbass shit. Like, choose one. Choose one, stick with it, let the market run. Come on. You know what I'm saying? Come on. Come on. Shimon. Yeah, let's see. Microsoft had some pretty good good levels the other day. That's a good, see, that's a rejection point I had here. I would just say above this 431.70, 431.71. Should be able to take it to that 437, at least 436. At least 436. It's still a great trade. I mean, really, that's just like some small draws on liquidity, but that there. Just take that off. If that's all we're looking for, that's all we're waiting for. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We don't need extra lines for nothing. Boom. All right, and that's where it stopped last time at the 431.75, 431.56, 75. Yeah. All right, cool. We'll see what's up with that. Can obviously look for this bounce. I think PLTR could break 145. We'll go to 140. Oh yeah, Tim Cook stepping down. Might as well short that. 267. Maybe a slow day, famo. We'll see. Maybe a slow day. All right. Good morning, y'all. Let's get it. News that is attacking ships. So still going light, right? Just aiming for maybe a couple $100. I'm not going a couple thousand. I got my Humble Yourself poster right there. And that poster's good. even just $300 a day is about $100,000 a year, which is crazy to think about. News that Iran is attacking ships, so still going light. Let's see if we break range. All right, SPY. And go below 702.80 to 699. Below 702.80 to 699. I don't really know any aboves because there is no aboves. NVIDIA. Excuse me. I feel like that's just gonna be chop. I don't know. I need a clear move. AMD, man, honestly, bro, we might be able to just take that bounce, that 285 bounce right back up to 291. Like literally. Yeah. We'll just look for that 290, 285 bounce. Let's do that. We'll go AMD 285 bounce back to previous highs, which would be previous all-time highs, right? 285 bounce. And if it goes below this 285.23, right? Wait for it to come back up, reclaim, and then take it to that 292. All right. I'll be trading AMD. I'll probably, I mean, that's pretty nice. We gotta see what we get, but it's not too shabby. Not too shabby. I don't really care for this alert. I do care for that one though. All right. So that's AMD. I'll give you guys I'm gonna give you the price target. 290, we'll say 291. Boom. All right, let's go. Tessie, we're not touching until below 382.72. 382. Iran's Iron Fist and Hamas Israeli regime ship seized. Man, figure y'all shit out so we can have a clean market. 382.72. 382.72. I'm gonna give you the exact levels. 376. We'll go 5 to be safe. Or above 397 to 405. All right, now the real question is, do we want more? More. Do we want more? 679 to 685. Could put Meta on there. Hood, nah. Netflix, nah. Q's, nah. Microsoft, oh, maybe Microsoft actually. That 430 to 436. I'll do that actually. I'm gonna add that to the list. Microsoft above 430 to 436. Son of Jacob. Excuse me. Excuse me. Nice. UNH. Nice. That's it. That's it. What you guys got? You guys got anything you want me to look at? Spot and that's a lot. That's a lot. Go Meta above. We're gonna go Tesla above or below. AMD retest. Let's retest there. But AMD retest. Nvidia don't care for. SPY. Really don't care too much for. But we'll put it there. Boom, 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 boom. And Microsoft. I got that alert on. Yep. All right. So we'll see if we get anything. Be patient. Like I said, we got a bunch of war news going on. So gotta love that. And we'll see where we go, man. Just be patient. Wait for the break and retest on the 5-minute time frame. Wait for that 5-minute candle close. Candle close, right? Like this. It's a perfect example. Coming to the downside. 5-minute candle close. And then wait for that retest. And then take it down to the next area of liquidity, aka support, aka wicks, the last bottom. All right, let's go. Let's go, baby. Reach out if you have questions.